we are going to create a logo, starting from scratch. We're going to go to File and New, Command or Control N, which will open up the New Document dialog box. We can then decide what we want to create our media for. Is it going to be for any of the options that we have selected here? Now I'm going to choose Print. This is going to give me standard sizes. I'm going to select A4. Ultimately, it doesn't matter what size artboard you choose for your artwork, as when using this graphic, say for example inside InDesign or Photoshop or After Effects, it will only see the actual graphics, the vector graphics that you've placed on the artboard itself. The artboard will actually be ignored. I'm going to title my document. I'm going to call it Cedar Tree Logo. I'm going to accept all the standard settings and click Create. Now, if your artboard is not in the correct orientation, you can change it using the Artboard tool. The Artboard tool can be selected from within inside the toolbox towards the very bottom, just hovering over it now. If you're not quite sure what a tool is, just use the tooltips. Let your cursor hover, it will tell you what the tool is. Click to select it. This then gives me options in the control panel across the top of my screen, and I can choose the orientation. I'm going to change it to landscape. To come out of the Artboard tool, you simply click any other tool. To fit my artboard in window, I'm going to go to the View drop-down menu. I'm going to select Fit Artboard in Window. Notice the shortcut, one of my favorites, Command or Control 0.